Understanding, a bilingual edition, unlocking dual language texts. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our video where we delve into the fascinating world of bilingual editions. If you've ever come across a book that presents two languages side by side, you've encountered a bilingual edition. Today, we're going to explore what a bilingual edition is, why they're useful, and how you can benefit from them, especially in your language learning journey. So, let's get started. A bilingual edition of a book contains the text in two languages, the original language and its translation. These editions are designed so that the original text and its translation appear side by side or on facing pages, making it easier for readers to compare the two languages. This format is particularly beneficial for learners and enthusiasts of new languages, as it allows for direct comparison and understanding of both the content and the linguistic structures. Bilingual editions serve several important purposes. First, they are invaluable tools for language learning, offering a hands-on approach to seeing translations in context. This helps learners understand idiomatic expressions, vocabulary, and grammar in use. Additionally, they promote cultural exchange by making literature and texts accessible to a wider audience, bridging language barriers and allowing readers to enjoy works in their non-native languages. Using a bilingual edition effectively requires more than just casual reading. Here are some tips to maximize your learning. 1. Read the text in the language you're learning first, trying to understand as much as possible without looking at the translation. 2. Use the translation as a tool, not a crutch. After reading a section in the original language, compare it with the translation to check your understanding and learn new words or phrases. 3. Take notes on new vocabulary and expressions you encounter. Practice using them in your own sentences. 4. Pay attention to grammar and sentence structure in both languages. Notice how expressions and ideas are conveyed differently across languages. We hope this video has shed light on the value of bilingual editions in language learning and cultural exploration. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, incorporating bilingual texts into your study routine can greatly enhance your understanding and appreciation of both the language and its associated cultures. Happy reading, and may your language learning journey be enriching and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful language learning content. See you in the next video.